All right, here we go. It's my favorite land here in Disney California Adventure. This land is so perfect. If you're a fan of Pixar Cars, this is a must. And they celebrate so well with the different holidays. I've been here for Halloween, I've been here for Christmas. And they deck out this area so well. And at night, this park, like most theme parks, are absolutely stunning. Here you have Sarge Surplus Hunt. It's a store. Over here you got the Cozy Cone, which is a snack place. You get snacks. So you got the Cozy Cones right here. Oh look, they have lightning out. Let's go check them out.
Couple options. You can hold it here.
Ka-chow.
No problem. Try to keep on trail. Still alive.
These cars are so amazing.
That's what I call it.
You get churros, ice cream, some other concoctions.
Hey there.
Let's go check out Flo's. Now, Flo's is a great place for typical diner. They have really good fried chicken here. So well themed. Zoom out a little bit. With the gas pumps, oil cans. And that's a diner inside there. Flo's Cafe. I'm hoping to get back here at nighttime here, because at night this place just pops with all the neon lights. Here's another general store. Oh, I don't want to go inside there, but general store. Straight out of the movie. Here's Luigi's. If you've seen my Oogie Boogie, you'll see me riding these cars.
Wait. I'll just grab something.
Originally, these were big inner tube car tires.
Water down there, so who knows how low it'll go.
And it just never worked. A bunch of air would blow up and you'd try to move. You'd lean forward to move, lean in the direction you want to move. And it just never worked right. So they added these cars, little cars, and they like kind of synchronized dance. It's a really fun ride. You can hear Luigi in the background. It's a really fun ride, especially for the little ones. I mean, check out all the little things in this park. Isn't that cool? It's a new eating area that was desperately needed here at Cars Land. Grab your food and sit down there. Then then you have Ramon's House of Body Art. And look, you got Stanley here. The founder, 1909. It's a drinking fountain. And they have a little cute mural here. It's a great location for a picture or a place to chill. A lot of people don't know about it. But here you go, right off to the side here. Check out all these strollers, man. I definitely recommend hitting this very first thing in the morning. Cars Land. Now this is the best ride here. Radiator Springs Racers. By far my favorite ride here. It is so well themed. Check this out. This is stunning during the day, but at night this just comes together so well. Straight out of the movie. And then going into the ride, you go underneath that bridge right there, Rusty Ridge Bridge. But man, this ride is so much fun. You go in and you do the usual ride. It's like a dark ride. And then you either go on Ramon's side where he spray paints your car. There, you saw one car go by. Or you go on Luigi's sides, and what he does there is he changes your tires, pretend, and then they spit you out, and you get side by side with another car, and then you race. It is so fun. Oh, that's another one. Such a fun ride. All right, I'm gonna get my ride on. The queue here, queue line for the Radiator Springs Racers is so well done. I'm solo today, which is rare. I'm in the solo single rider line, so it's much shorter. I highly recommend if you come to Disneyland, instead of getting the Lightning Pass, most of the rides have single rider, and you can get on really quick. You can do it as a group, but you have that chance where you don't go with your partner, whoever you're here with, for single rider. But single rider is much quicker usually on most rides. Not all rides have them though. And the water misters are themed. I love it. You got the bottle house over there in the regular queue line. Here you get to be on get on the cars themed. I have to wear my hat backwards, make sure my sunglasses are on good. On this ride, you'll lose them, so Make sure. Here we go. Safety first. Make sure everybody's strapped in properly.
Alright, friends. I'm gonna
Yeah, in the middle.
no, I'm gonna unbuckle the seatbelt. The strap needs to be over his shoulder.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, hold on, give me 1 second. You can unbuckle it? That's right.
Ready? Radiator Springs.
You're not racing yet. Just follow Maynard into town to get ready.
Maynard. Sheriff. Howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? It'll be. Just sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Honk!
Probably just a bad squirt plug, Tippy.
Welcome to Race Day.
It's Radiator Springs
Champion needs speed.
and style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Luigi's.
Now you look like a real race car. Guido, to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you when to pitch it hard. Get it into the group. Don't pay attention. Yes. Now you have a chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
There's Gardens of the Galaxy there. And you can see this is normally the pathway going to Avengers Campus. They are doing construction. They're adding 2 new rides to Avengers Campus, which is desperately needed. It's a lot of real estate for only a couple rides. Walking back down out of Radiator Springs, Route 66. Pixar Cars. They did such a great job here. By far, my favorite land that they have in DCA. Mater's Jamboree here. The Junkyard Jamboree. This is a fun ride. It will whip you around a little bit because you are in a tractor. You are in a tractor, and in the back it slings you around quite a bit, but it's a fun little ride. Little ones will love it.